Sheri Griffin here. I'm a realtor, so let's get down to it. I want to talk to you about 6 creative ways to afford a home. First one is that you need to investigate your state, your local, and your national down payment assistance programs. They are out there. So when you sit down to talk with a mortgage lender or a mortgage banker, ask them about these programs, because there are grants out there or programs that you can be part of that will help you actually get into a home. One such program is the Good Neighbor Next Door program. It's a federal program. It's for teachers, preschool through 12, firefighters, law enforcement, that's state, federal, tribal groups, and then EMTs. And this program is set up especially for them and will help with their down payment and some other aspects of the mortgage as well. Another thing that you need to explore is sellers financing. Now, in our market, you've probably heard that there are some sellers, not all, but some, will help actually buy down the interest rate a point, and they will allow that for the buyer. Now, if they won't do that, maybe they'll help with your closing cost. These are things that need to be in the contract, requested in the contract when an offer is made to the seller. Also, you need to consider shared appreciation or shared equity agreement. This is where a family member or a friend is basically a third party and they buy a portion of the home. Basically, you'll be responsible for the mortgage and you'll be responsible for taking care of insurance and everything on it. But when the day comes that you sell the property, the person that has actually contributed to you being able to purchase the home, they're going to make some money off the house. Number 3, you can ask for some help from some family. This is usually in the form of down payments or a cosigner. Now, if they do a down payment with you, it's usually considered a gift, which means it's not paid back. And they have to put that in a letter that they're gifting this to you and you do not have to repay it. Now, the other one, a cosigner, would be mom and dad would actually be on the mortgage, but you would be responsible for the mortgage, the insurance, and everything on the upkeep of the house. But if something were to happen to you, it'd go back on your mom and your dad. So you got to be careful with those. Number 5, lease option to buy. Sometimes a seller will let you move into a house, you'll rent it, you'll pay them rent. If you've written the contract in such a way, you let a realtor help you write that contract, you can actually set it up so that part of your rent actually goes toward the down payment of the house. But you're responsible in a year or 2 year, whatever is stipulated in that offer, that you'll have additional funds to put down as well. And then you're going to purchase that house. The last thing to consider is a short-term second mortgage. Now, this is usually for somebody that is well established, has excellent credit, and they've got a really good job. And what this does is that you have to qualify for it. This would give you money from the second to use as a down payment on the first. But the second, usually you have to pay off really quickly. And again, this is for people that have extra money and they've got excellent credit report. Okay, those are my 6 ways for you to afford a home. Maybe thinking outside the box a little bit to help you if you're interested in buying a home. I'd be delighted to show you some homes. I could give you a list of lenders that might be able to sit down and talk to you about some of these different ways, creative ways of getting you into a home. My name is Sheri Griffin and I'm with Keller Realty, Boise. Turner Group here in Nampa, Idaho, and my phone number is 208-880-9932. And I look forward to talking to you real soon. Bye.